Welcome at day 11 of our 11 days, 11 minutes challenge. Today is the final day. We arrived, you made it, and today we are going to integrate all into the aura magnetic field and listen what we have learned from this 11 days challenge. And I changed the scenery because of the sun. It's very hot. So I'm facing now backwards to the sun. Today is all about a refined energy, bringing this not only on the mat but into the universe and spread it out wide. So please take a comfortable seat. Closing the eyes. Inhalation, lengthening the spine. And exhalation, let it all go. Let's rub our hands together, connecting with our mantra to begin to connect with all the wisdom. Inhale to begin. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Inhale. Hold the breath, apply Mula Bandha. And exhalation. Okay. We will start first with tapping to come into the body. So really using the fingers to tap onto the face, between the eyes, third eye, the forehead, the temples. Really connecting and making the body awake, the cells, the life force energy to open. The tapping is so important. A lot of stuck energy and fascia. And from the face we go into the arms with our fingers and maybe our palms. And really washing it off, tapping and really feeling. So not only doing but feeling. How does the body feel today? Belly, chest, armpits, limbs, shoulders, backs, the legs, the thighs, the knees, the shins, and then the feet, really squeezing and massaging, really connecting to the self. We often rush and hurry into a practice, into a kriya, into something, but taking time to really touch yourself and feel what you need, and then close the eyes and feel the energy moving through the body, making ourselves totally ready in this final integration moment. Then from here we are going into our ego eradicator. So taking our hands in 60-degree angle, plugging the thumbs out, making fists. Spine is straight, and we do this with a breath of fire. Gaze at the third eye. Let's begin. Give it your all. Smile. Inhale, lift. Touching the thumbs together, squeezing Mula Bandha, lifting the fingertips up. Squeeze, lift. And exhale very, very slowly, sweeping through the auric field, touching the earth. Washing ourselves with our breathing, with our energy, listening to the sounds surrounding us. Really, the sound of all the animals surrounding us is really supporting the meditative state, the frequency of being, of aliveness, of presence, being grateful wherever you are at this moment. So now we opened up the energy in the bodies, we opened up our gateway. So now we are going to wash all the body. And how are we going to do this is, I'm thinking how we are going to do this. Let's lay down. Very slowly. You're going to wash the bodies by lifting the left leg and right arm. Exhale, inhale, back up. Exhale, right leg, left arm. Inhale, back up. And really enjoying the movement. Arms are horizontally, legs are vertically. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Really, and smashing, making sound with the palm on the legs. Touching the body wherever you are. Doesn't matter how it looks like, just in the feeling of the body. Washing the body, washing the auric field. Inhale, open, exhale, touch. You can also do this standing, but you can do it also lying down. Inhale, bring both legs up, hold, lift, squeeze Mula Bandha. Maybe touching the toenails, squeeze, and exhale, relax, release, holding the legs up, touching the legs with the arms. Taking the knees in and roll yourselves back upwards, all the way, back to a comfortable seated posture. Hands on the knees, Gyan Mudra, touching the mat, touching the earth body with the earth beneath you, opening all the gateways, opening all the energy channels. Staying here in stillness, or if you feel you want to move the hips a little bit, you make small circles, spirals. Listen to the body and reverse the circle. We will end this 11-day, 11 minutes challenge with a short meditation, with a short chanting mantra. And the mantra is Satanama, connecting all life, death, transformation, birth with all of us. That's what we've been doing from the start. We had the new moon intention, speaking to other new moons, full moons. Maybe some of you going through a lot of transformation, a lot of things going on right now. So it's very important to stay grounded into your truth and not listening to what other people are saying or doing, but just listen here inside, and there is your truth. So we will end, we take our hands open and we connect our thumb with each finger. So Sa is the thumb with the index finger, the Ta, thumb with middle finger, Na is thumb with ring finger, Ma is thumb with pinky. Okay, and that's how we connect this mantra. You can close the eyes if you wish, gaze at the third eye, and we will chant together, first loud, then whistling, and then inside. You can do this as long as you wish. We will start together. Inhale to begin. Satanama, 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 completely silent now, inwardly. You can use the fingers if you wish. You can also stop using the fingers and just stay in Gyan Mudra, repeating the mantra internally. And you can stay here as long as you wish in this mantra, in this silent space. We are now in the heart of the kriya, the heart of the practice. Kriya is practice, yoga is practice, tantra is practice. I don't know how do you want to call it, but it's all leading us to the same. It's a tool to connect us back to ourselves. It is not something like the perfect posture or alignment. This also exists, but the real yoga, the real truth is just to connect yourself back with the truest part, the present moment, and to get to this point of meditation, to get to this point of unity, to join asana, to sit on the mat, to connect to this point is by first doing asana or movement or other ways that feels good to your heart and soul. And it is this feeling, this connection, this openness from yourself, self-love, universal love, all that is surrounding us, from me to you. This state of being connects us to the truth of our highest self. And please, not only here, but into the daily life, into the hard times, into the resistance, into the family, the friends, all that is, and each day, each moment, trying to prepare ourselves, prepare our patterns, really being aware of our patterns, being aware of what is, and having the choice to change what can be changed and to accept what cannot be changed. And let's tune out first. Inhale to begin. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Beautiful souls, thanking you all for practicing with me together this 11-day, 11-minute journey. Very short, very powerful. Hoping that you get some tips or tricks or feelings in the body or everywhere else that you felt somehow connected to more than this physical world can explain. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or want to see more or something else, let me know. And holiday season now started. It's very hot here, and I'm trying to make in the holiday more intuitive yoga, Kundalini, a mixture of all my experiences, not about perfection, but really about the truth, about the tantra, the yoga, the Kundalini, the essence, the purity, not the rules, not I don't know how to explain this, but the ones who know what I mean. Really back to the ancient techniques, the stillness, and really excited to share more about this soon. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.